tell some talk.
Okay guys, everybody sitting here, I would like to ask you one small question. Now, what if each and everyone sitting here is given a small baby, yearly of 1.5 years or 1 year, to make him sleep? Are you guys able to make that baby sleep? Would you maybe try? Generally, it is a task of a mother. Now another problem, what if a mother is doing a part-time job outside? That same baby is left home alone. Do we have any solution for that?
Yes, we do have a solution for that problem. The solution is
Sleep well, hands. Comforts. Myself, Jeet Patni.
Myself, Aditya Palva.
Myself, Jai Banderi.
I am Harsh Prasan.
Lusang Sorakia.
Dhruvin Singhal. Now we will talk about our product. Our product is a baby modular baby basket. It has a mannequin and fixed with it. It runs with the supply of electricity. It helps the baby to sleep comfortable. It also has a cushion, mat, and surrounding also has a foam and sponge. So it will give a comfortable sleep to the baby. The another thing that the basket can move anywhere as it has wheels in it. It also has a handle which makes more mobile and comfortable for the mother to carry it along with him. Our product is more beneficial and useful to all those mothers who are part-time working and who do not have enough time for their baby, and it is more convenient and helpful to them.
अरे यार, इसके माँ भी ना पूरा दिन सिर्फ शॉपिंग ही करते रहती है। पता नहीं कब वापस आएगी।
क्या कर रहे हो भाई?
कुछ नहीं, बच्चे को सुलाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
इसका इलाज है मेरे पास, स्लीप वेल हैंड्स। आपके बच्चे को आसानी से सुला दे।
जल्दी से आओ, अपने घर पे ले आओ स्लीप वेल हैंड्स।
टेलीविजन एडवर्टाइजमेंट।
Which makes it moving around the hand. You've got a cushion-like structure on which the baby can sleep it easily. You've got a handle which is very long and can be taken anywhere else. You've got a rotating wheels, which makes it easy for the parents to take anywhere they want to take it.
Newspaper advertisement.
Magazine advertisement.
Our website.
These are the components used for making the product. We have used steel pipes for making the base of the basket, which gives a strong base. We have used plywood and we have cushioned it for giving a comfortable sleep to the baby. We have used a mannequin hand and a swing motor for giving the movement to the hand.
Pricing of the product. The initial pricing of the product is 2,490. And after adding the profit, it is 2,990. Profit we have made is 500. Marketing strategy. Our main strategy is to capture market with the help of advertisement, and motive is to provide a good product with good quality. It is also profit making is our motive. To attract more customers, we would like to give free gifts and baby toys while they buy that product.
Yes. No.
Have you tried it out on a baby?
On a soft toy.
What I was hoping is that you've tried it out on a baby and seen its reaction when the hand comes near it.
How hard is that hand? It is hard, but
No, sir, it works very slowly. So
and we can put a layer of foam attached to the hand, so it will be soft.
So one of the things is when you have a product, show, don't tell, because it's literally there, and you can do a lot of things with that. So I think that would have been more powerful if you had shown a demo to start with.
Sir, we don't have extension.
Okay.
Otherwise it is working.
You have a demo.
She told me, can I? Then I told yes, you can.
You said that when mother is not there, this machine can be used. But what after baby sleeps? Who will switch off the machine, or does it have any sensor that it stops putting the hand like that?
Switch. We can off this.
But the point is, mother is not there to switch it off. Do you understand? The baby might wake up because of this, or it might feel irritated. The second thing is, if there is some electric problem or a problem with this device, it is too risky if the hand falls due to any disruption on the baby. So I don't know if mothers would purchase this product, because 1.5-year-old kid is like the most precious thing a mother would have. So to take risk with that, it could be made more safe and softer, or it is mobile, that is good. But I'm not sure about the product's marketability, but good effort.
I think initially when we talked about the product, probably you kind of missed the what do you call the main target market for this. Basically, this product was thought of keeping in mind point number one. It is not that the mother is away. It is very much likely that mother is around. Let's say the mother is cooking something in the kitchen and would like to put the baby to sleep. Okay, so it is very much like it is mobile. So mother can actually drag the crib to the kitchen, and when she is working, but she does not have time to kind of tap the baby and put the baby to sleep. So at that particular point in time, you can be using this particular device. Point number two, many a times when the mothers have gone out and the baby is left with the father. Okay, so there is one presumption here that we are not leaving the baby alone with this particular device. Yeah, there is somebody who is around, but that particular person needs to do something else or is not very proficient with looking after the baby. Yeah, and that is where this particular product will be of some use. Yeah, okay, so that is the very crux of what you can say the product idea. Yeah, you guys kind of failed to convey it to the judges. Yeah, it is okay, this is fine, but it is not the replacement of mother, but it is just an extension of mother, wherein the mother is now free to do something else. Even though being around, mother can this is something that is automated, and mother can kind of do the work, come back, look at the baby, and just kind of it is just something to help the mother with. Right? Okay, so be very clear with your product strategies, or the main objective of your product. Yeah, it is not something that it's not the replacement. Mother not there, we install the hand. No. Yeah, but it is more like to free up the mother whenever she is around and she would like to do some work. Right? Okay.
An additional aid quickly for like anyone, not just for you, for all the groups, is that when you're making a product, you can define a persona for the product. You can say that, okay, give them a name. Say that Lakshmi auntie, who has a kid, she has to work and she has to make the kid sleep, and then try thinking about, okay, is this what Lakshmi auntie would want? Is this how she would work with it? So any product that you make, you can create a persona, and who's the person who would use your product and think in their terms. So that would be one thing. Another thing is that you started off very well. You guys were like brilliant when you started off. But at some point, after all of this drama, when you went to the slide, it wasn't that smooth a transition. There was like so much text on the slide, and all of a sudden you just started to explain the product. So that you could have been more smoother. Otherwise, it's a crazy idea. It's a crazy product. It's nothing that I could have ever thought of ever. So it's very wonderful.
Could have demonstrated it in another manner, take it, like have a real baby inside with the mother of course around. That would have conveyed, it would have conveyed, because I have this feeling that the hand approaching a baby would scare him, something like that. But maybe it'll take him time to get used to. Even that would be some kind of like a case study to watch him how comfortable he becomes with it afterwards. So you should have tried it. In fact, you should try it. After you take this home, do get a baby and try this out.
That hand would reach his or her chest, so it will be able to sleep that baby. It will not come to his mouth or face.
No. Even coming towards the body, a child would have some reflexes like, what is this coming towards me? Right? So that's what I'm saying. I wanted to see a human baby's reaction to it. So if you had gotten that done, maybe that would have added some more points to this. A demo video with the, like your subject inside it. Right now we can see this works, but then you're using it as a baby patting machine. So the baby is needed in it. Not a soft toy. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.